Poof. Whoa! 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 Damn! Woo! Wow, that was really slick.
Try again later.
Wow. Well, that pavement was slicker than shit.
Good?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I'm alright, but it was slick. Woo! I wasn't even going fast. Yeah, I think it'll be alright. It's a solid little booger. Man, thanks. We'll find out. Yeah, she's good.
Good though.
You're good, man. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, that was pretty wild. Heck yeah. Holy shit! Kind of jacked up my mirror a little bit. Shit. About 15 minutes ago, the V-Strom went down on the pavement and slid for a pretty good bit. Sure felt like it anyway. And I have to say the thing held up really well, as did my trusty field shear jacket. The reality of riding motorcycles is, sadly, this stuff happens. Alright, I just got home. The visor broke off, a little scratched up, a little scuffed up. Turn signal markers, backside of the mirror, clutch. Got some scraping up here on the bag. The GoPro mount is pretty well fizzled down to nothing. But other than that, pretty tough little motorcycle. I think this is a good opportunity to sing the praises of wearing a very good helmet, as no doubt this minor little accident would have been much worse without one. For starters, my face would have been ripped off as it planted into the pavement. And as I continued to roll around, you could see the scratches in the back of the helmet where my head hit again. And so it definitely protected my noggin very well. The Suzuki V-Strom truly has proven itself to be a very tough motorcycle indeed. Having been drugged through a parking lot at a hardware store and having put up with my abuses taking it off-road. Oh, whoa! Holy mackerel! The Suzuki DL650, aka V-Strom, has been a very versatile motorcycle that has opened up a whole new world of motorcycling, and I have been preparing myself for hopefully some awesome adventure touring in the future. And with those future trips, we will continue to test this little motorcycle's durability.